want me wheeling here? You don't want me wheeling here? I got you. I'm out of your hair, man.
Just step off to the side and go right into the ditch and hit a kid.
Yep, I'll never be here again, brother.
Okay, I hope not. Hope not.
Yep, I got you. I'm respectful. Trust me. Thank you. That's how you do it, boys. Just like that. Piss someone off? Just tell them, hey man, I'm sorry. Won't do it again. And now I'll just cut my wheelies off right here. It doesn't me. I just won't wheelie past that guy's house no more. It is what it is.
That's okay. Don't worry.
So sorry.
That's okay.
I thought you're okay.
No, yeah, I'm fine.
Oh my God.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
I just didn't even see you.
No, yeah, that's fine. It's happened. It happens. Okay.
Be safe.
You too. Thank you. Ela não tava gravando, cara. Porra, pena isso. Tava aqui andando na boa na minha faixa. Ela entrou na minha faixa e tal. E aí eu dei uma acelerada. E aí agora ela veio pedir desculpa.
Met up with Adam here, new guy to the group. I've never met him before. Now I have. Hello. Make sure there's no cops behind us. That truck looks mean. I like that. Just blacked out everything. Awesome.
Driver's license, registration, insurance.
Can we at least get off the road? So
What's that?
can we at least get off the road?
Stay right here.
I need to get off the bike to get my papers.
That's fine. Just gonna hang on to these.
You can go on, man, if you want. I don't to hold you up. I'm gonna need those to unlock my seat. Voila.
You got a class 6?
I do.
That's what I get for trying to be cool, I guess.
Your key for all your hair. Thank you.
I like that he thinks I'm gonna run even though he has all my info.
Dude, where did he come from?
I don't know. I even looked behind me. I was like, I don't see no one. All right, kick it up. And all of a sudden, fucking instantly jumped behind us. I was like, oh shit.
He seems like a...
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely getting the tickets. As if.
I slow down.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man.
No, it's all good.
We're gonna go to work late also, man.
No, I gotta work at 10. We're good. It was bound to happen eventually. I even said it on my way here. I kept doing wheelies. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna get pulled over. They're so sneaky these days with their ghost vehicles, for fuck's sake.
Did you see the one, like, you know those Volkswagen?
Yeah, I wheelied past him the other day and he was stuck at a light.
Dude, those things are sneaky.
Yep. Definitely a ticket. My last ticket? I think speeding,
Speeding?
for sure.
Here's your documents back. So you're getting a careless driving ticket.
Perfect.
$567 fine. It's under section 115, sub 2, sub B of the Traffic Safety Act. You have until December 15th to decide what you're going to do with it, pay it or otherwise. Not to pay it, you decide to argue it in court.
Okay, yeah. I was just like, there's options?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
I'm
Perfect.
pretty sure we've had a few complaints about you, or at least somebody on a black bike that matches this bike.
Yeah.
Okay, doing pretty much the same stuff that I just witnessed you doing.
Yeah.
You need to tone it down.
Okay, for sure.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
what's going to end up happening, you're either going to get suspended due to demerits, or you're going to end up getting this thing towed,
Yeah.
or you're going to end up racking up and hurting yourself or somebody else.
Yeah, exactly.
You need to rein it in. Okay,
Okay.
I get it. It's a nice bike. Goes fast. In town here, that stuff is going to get you killed really
Yeah.
fast. Makes sense?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, have a good one.